Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's right around noontime and I'm late to the shave party. Well, today's shave soap is going to be a shave stick, and this is Ciderhouse5 thumbnail. And don't go searching the internet. You will not find this. This is a DIY shave stick that I did, and I believe I did a video on this, on how to make these. If I did, it just could be in my mind, but if I did, I will put a link in the description box below. And if I didn't, shame on me. Anyway, the scent on this is an excellent scent, and some people may think it's just a fall scent, but for me, it's a good all-around year scent, honestly. Let me dip a little bit of this in the water here. But yes, it's an excellent scent. I think people probably categorize that into a fall scent because of the mulled apple cider. I'm going to be using the Semouge Boar brush here. Probably have to wet the tips several times, but I really get a nice pipe smoke scent, and then the mulled cider. There's some oak wood scent in there, along with some cedar, or not cedar, dried leaves scent, but really it's very nice. And I need some more water. This is why I don't face lather too much, because it takes a little bit longer, and I try to keep my videos under the 10-minute mark, because I feel like after, I don't know, maybe the 7 or 8 minute mark time frame, views kind of start falling off. You know, it's one of those things, if you're watching, if you really enjoy watching people shave, you don't mind if it's 20-30 minutes or whatever. But if you're just kind of wanting to get the meat and potatoes, or just the basic scent profile, or if you're watching for a certain razor to see how it works, anything beyond that, you're probably not going to stick around for long. So if you are sticking around for a while and watching the videos all the way through, I'd like to say thank you for taking your time. I know your time is valuable, and I appreciate you spending that time with me. All right, today's razor is going to be this beautiful Gillette Tech, and the year escapes my mind. I know there's probably a lot of vintage guys out there that could tell me exactly what year it is. I have it loaded up with a Gillette Silver Blue Blade, and let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Nice and mild. Got a little hair there from the Boar brush. And you know, CK6, it has a nice lather with plenty of residual slickness. This razor and blade combo is nice and smooth and mild. For me, this could be a shave that many people search for. With Ciderhouse5 just releasing, was it on Friday or Saturday? Anyway, I noticed a bunch of people posting, and I figured, you know what, I will break out mine and give it a little shave. You know, fall officially is just right around the corner. I always kind of think towards the middle of August is fall, the start of fall, but it's not. It's actually, I believe it's September 22nd, or at least that's what the Farmer's Almanac says. Let's get lathered up for pass number 2. across the grain. Better get a little bit more water in there. It's always nice to be able to dip your brush in some nice warm lather or warm water. It just makes the shave so much more enjoyable. I feel like the lather is a little on the thick side for me, but nonetheless, it still provides an excellent shave. I did a straight shave the other day, testing out a new edge. Right there, must have had a little hot spot where I was coming in too quick, or who knows. But it was kind of got lit up on fire when I applied the splash. I was like, I didn't see any weepers or anything, so I knew I must have gotten a little too willy-nilly with the blade. Sometimes that happens. I'm still searching for the perfect all-around feel with straight razors. And if I did it every day, it would probably change, but when I just visit it back and forth, off and on, probably not going to get as good as some of the other guys. And I've got a lot of Dovos, and I kind of feel like the Dovo is the devil's steel, because I could never get that nice, buttery, smooth, but yet close, comfortable shave, if you know what I'm saying. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. What a nice, smooth shave. I do have the matching splash here. Let me give it a little shake. Oh yeah, that's where it's at. I like that little orange tint to it. Oh yeah, the splash, it really brings that to life. And then I'm going to follow that up with some star jelly. And since I always like to get feedback or interact with my viewers, I would like you to comment below and let me know, do you have a Gillette Tech razor? Let me know, what's your favorite blade in there? I'll put a picture right here of everything I use today, and I will see you guys on Wednesday's shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.